Right, so Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So hari ni kita nak bincang soal, saya nak sambung bincang sikit soal tutorial chapter 8. So yang ni berkaitan dengan continuity lah, more to the part that we have just completed our discussion in our class. Okay, so for question number 18, so over here, kita ada satu function piecewise, okay, fx equals to this definition of function. Okay, so kita diberi limit x is greater than q, okay, and then you have for q, x is in between q and 2, okay, and then x is greater than 2 over here. So kita nak cari nilai p, q and r, okay, and you are given that fx is continuous everywhere, okay, and then f2 equals to p, okay. So for the first part, information yang kita boleh keluarkan adalah this one lah, f of 2 is equals to P. Okay, so f of 2 equals to P. So from this one, if we take f2 equals to P, so yang ni maksud dia adalah fx when, okay, fx when x is equals to 2. Okay, so for this one, basically we are taking the point, we are checking the function dekat mana x kita equals to 2. So x is equals to 2 for this last point, last function. Okay, the third one. So meaning that function yang kita akan ambil adalah x cube minus p. This one lah. Okay, x cube minus p. So dalam case ni, x kita sekarang adalah 2. Alright. Okay, so we have over here 2 cube minus p, and that is equals to p. Okay, so we have over here 8 minus p equals to p. So what we have over here is 8 equals to 2p. And finally, we can check that p is equals to 4. Okay, that is the value for our p. So for the next one, kita nak check nilai. Okay, maybe we can check with our r first. Okay, so to check the value for our r, what we can use over here is the concept of continuity. Okay, so kita boleh pakai ada dua nilai lah. Okay, sama ada you nak pakai function yang the third condition. Okay, sama ada you nak pakai fa equals to limit of x approaching a for fx, or you nak directly just guna limit from the left and right. So kalau yang tu maksudnya kita pakai yang ni lah. Okay, limit x approaching a from the right of fx, okay, is equals to limit of x approaching a from the left of fx. Okay, so kita boleh guna dua maklumat ni lah kalau melibatkan continuous ataupun continuity of a function. Okay, so over here, saya nak pakai maklumat yang kedua. Okay, I'm going to use that one. So, now we are looking at point 2 lah. Okay, limit yang kita ada sekarang ni limit 2. Barulah kita nak pakai function R ni dekat sini. Okay, so what we can use over here, we are going to take limit of x approaching 2 from the left. Okay, so kalau from the left which is less than. Okay, so x is less than 2. So, apply balik konsep ni. Kalau A dekat sini, x is, this one is greater than lah. Okay, this region, x is greater than a. So, dia adalah from the right. Okay, approaching a from the right. Kalau x is less than a, so dia approach from the left over here. Okay, so now if I'm taking from the left of fx, so I'm going to check it for the equal of the limit x approaching 2 from the right of fx. Okay, so if I have it like this, next one, what I'm going to do is, kita check lah which function yang kita approach x of 2 from the left and right ni. Okay, so from the left, okay, as I said just now, that is the point where x is less than a. So sekarang ni a kita adalah 2. So we're taking this one. Okay, r x plus 6. That is equals to the limit of x approaching 2 from the right of fx. Okay, and next kita masuk nilai lah. Okay, so masuk nilai x dekat sini, we are going to have r 2 plus 6 equals to fx over here is from the left hand, from the right. I'm sorry. So this one should be x cube minus 4. Okay, so masukkan nilai 2. So we are going to have 2 cube minus P kita tadi kita dah dapat kan. So minus 4 over here. Okay, minus 4. Alright, so we have over here 8r equals to 8 minus 4, that is 4. And r is equals to 1 over 2. So we can simplify that. Alright, so after that, when we already have p and r, what we want to find next is our q. Okay, so to find our q over here, tengok next slide. Okay, so nak dapatkan nilai q, tadi kita dah dapat p equals to 4, r equals to 1 over 2. Okay, so to get the value of q, kita akan gunakan maklumat yang sama dekat sini tadilah. Okay, this one. First or second. So I'm going to use the same one. So over here, saya nak check the continuity. Okay, existence of limit. So limit x approaching q from the left of fx. We're going to take that equal to the limit of x approaching q from the right of fx. Okay, so when I take it like this, next one, kita ada kat sini, limit x approaching q from the left. Okay, so fx kita kalau from the left, which is less than, okay, so that is going to be this one lah. Okay, x is greater than q, q less than x. Okay, so macam ni, kalau kita ada q kat sini, x is greater than q, x is less than q. So sekarang ni x ni terbalik ni. Okay, that should be x less than q. Soalan ni salah less than q, ada typo kat soalan saya. Okay, so x is less than q. So over here, we will have that 2 minus x squared minus p over so p kita dah ada tadi nilai 4. Okay, let's just replace that with 4 divided by x over here. Okay, and that is equals to the limit of x approaching q from the right. Now our fx is equals to this one, second one, yang ni Okay, so 1 over 2 r kita, x plus 6 over here. Okay, so then gantikan limit, gantikan q pada x. So we are gonna have 2 minus q squared, okay, minus 4 divided by q over here. Then here you akan dapat 1 over 2 q plus 6. Okay, so bila you simplify this one, okay, when we simplify this one, so to simplify this, so we are going to have 4 minus 4q plus q squared minus 4, okay, equals to okay, take half over here, q squared plus 6q. Okay, so plus 6q. So kalau saya simplify sini, 4 minus 4. So then saya darab dengan 2 to the other side. So I'm going to have here negative 8q plus q squared equals to q squared plus 6q. Okay, so when we have this, kita simplify further. So negative 8 plus to the other side, we're going to have over here negative 14. Sorry kejap So dekat sini, it should be 2q squared. Okay, so plus 2q squared. So q squared minus 14q, that is equals to 0. So when we factorize this, kita akan dapat q factor with q minus 14 equals to 0. So dua value untuk q kita dapat kat sini. Q equals to 0. Q equals to 14. Okay, so untuk kita check either one, okay, yang mana satu value Q kita, it depends on this inequality. Okay, so Q mestilah lebih kecil daripada 2, okay, sebab X is in between 2 and Q, okay. So because that since Q must be less than 2, okay, therefore we're gonna take Q is equals to 0. Okay, so that is our final answer.